The L7 grid and the 7/7 grid, and all the grids actually, they work on string pairs. For emphasis, write this down. This is a pertinent point. Don't want you to miss this. I've got to do this in the key of A. 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. This is where string pairs come into play. Look, jump up the octave. That's where 1 lives now. 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Does this make sense? Right, watch. Move up another string pair. 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. If you remember the Rosetta Stone lesson, everything is the same. So I know that this is chord 1. I can refer to it from here. I can use my caged octaves to help me to find it. Anyway, so here's chord 1, and I know that's going to be major. It's going to help me with my patterns. This is chord 2. I think of that as Dorian. And it's going to show me chord 4. Chord 5. It shows me what that is. Even though I'm not playing the chords per se, I'm thinking the chords. I'm thinking chord 1, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 3, 2. Let me drop it down here so it does move into this idea of chords. So when we played this, major 7, let's move it over. Now we have a root note for a D shape now. There's the shape. 5R3. That's a major 7 chord that we had. Well, let's lower this note here. This is the shape. Looks like an A shape, doesn't it? Look. So that's chord 1. We could do the same process. And you could do this with your open chords down here just to make it easy. Here, there's the D major, D minor, D major, D major 7, D7, D minor 7. Okay, so look, we need major 7, we need minor 7, we need a 7th chord, and we need the minor 7 flat 5 as well. So let's look at that. There we go. Here's the minor 7 flat 5. Yeah? Just modifying the 5R3s to make those major 7th chords. And now I'm in a different territory completely, which is kind of cool. So this is chord 1, go up a step. Chord 2's here, chord 3's here. I'll go chromatically between those. Chord 6. Same shape. Sorry, same chord, different shape. But look how close they are. Yeah? These upper voicing chords are nice. Now we can get more mileage out of our E shapes if we want to. I can take that there, but what if I get rid of that root note there? And what I'll do is I'm just going to play these 4 notes here. That's the shape. I've got a bar on there and I'm playing those 2 there. That becomes my chord. There's my chord 2, chord 3. Chord 4 is going to be the same. There's that dominant chord again. Minor. So hopefully what this is doing is it's giving you this way of playing your 7ths up and down the neck, however you want to see them, on these grids, these 2 grids. And when I think of the L7 grid, I think of it as the major grid. And when I think of the 7/7 grid, I kind of think of that as the minor grid, but major and minor are inversions of each other in key. So that is 7th chords all up and down the neck. And remember, the prerequisite to the 7th chords is you've got to know your triads as well. But it's also going to help you to be able to see where those notes are when you are chord tone soloing. This is the thing, guys. You're jamming with somebody. They're down there. What do? Do you play in the same position? No. You find another voicing. We could play it up here as well. Listen to the voicing of this one. Very close, very close. The thickness of the strings changes the timbre. Go up the neck for voices. E here. E. E. We can play it in different ways. Lots of different ways of playing an E there, but they all changed the quality of the chord. The sound changed, and that was about the voices. And when you think about voices, we are human beings. So when it comes to voices, we use the voices in the choir as the reference. Bass, tenor, alto and soprano. And that's the way to think about it when you're doing this improvisation malarkey or writing a solo or something, or you want that kind of mix with the chords. Playing this 6 chord here, but I was also playing it down here.